Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's been a while, but I'm here with a product tip to test out today. Stumbled across this from No Pro RC. Shout out to them for the tip. You can find this on Amazon. It's pretty much a dust cleaning gel to clean the car vent and whatnot. So I'm going to use it here on my trusty old Noble, which is pretty dusty, and been having some trouble cleaning it up. So we're gonna test it out. So pretty much instructions: just take out with dry hands and then knead a few times. But first, let me get this old girl out the way. And I'm just gonna take a little bit out, or take the whole thing out. So just knead it a few times, and then it feels wet to the touch, but it doesn't leave any wet residue. So if you could see right around in there, there's just a lot of dust or whatnot. So we're gonna give it a go and try to. Oh wow, that does work pretty well. Yep, that cleans very well. And then these corners here, I'm sure you can see the dust right in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, this cleans really well. Non-toxic, good. No harmful chemicals on your electronics or anything like that. So just kind of roll that in there on the sides. And yeah, well, pretty cool. And then on top here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but right over here is always a hard spot too, so we're just gonna kind of, yep, very nice. So yeah, just a quick tip. Wanted to start off the new year right with some more content. Quick tips, pet tips, any type of tips, just a tip. But yeah, 2023 was a phenomenal year. Learned a lot. Definitely looking to up the game, moving up to open. Gonna get my ass whooped, but it's alright. That's how you learn. So then you just knead it, put it back in the container, and make sure you seal it up, and that's it. So I'll have this in the link down in the description, and just be on the lookout for more RC content from your boy B Main RC. Have a good one.